Also, let me record. So just two examples. Again, factoring trinomials. What does trinomial mean? Well, it's a polynomial with three terms. What's a polynomial? It's x squared minus 6x minus 16. That's three terms. Three-term polynomial. Trinomial. And we want to factor this. And what does that mean? We want it, split into parentheses being multiplied. In this first example, I said it's a coefficient of x equals 1. So what does that mean? That means the number in front of x squared, the leading term, the x squared, is 1. So the process to factor this is this. And you will recall this. Well, first off, the answer is going to be two parentheses multiplying, both with x inside. And remember the x game thing I taught you, where on top you put this number, the c, and then on bottom of the x game you put -6. And we're trying to find two numbers that multiply to -16 but add to -6. And I believe it's -8 and 2. So what do those numbers mean for us? Those are the numbers that go right here, and +2. And simple as that. That's the factored version of that trinomial. Yeah, I guess the benefit or the purpose is so that the expression doesn't have any x squared. It's only single x's, x degree 1s that are multiplying. So you can do more with that if you get into graphing and things like that and finding solutions. All right. Example 2, coefficient a greater than 1. What do I mean by a greater than 1? I mean the number leading here is a. And it's not 1. Bless you. And how did I do this? I taught the AC method. That's what it was called. A times C method. So it's rather different. It's not the X game method. Oh, this is A, and this is C. So we do A times C, and find what that equals. A times C equals 18. So we're trying to find two numbers that multiply to 18, but add to this middle number B, 11. And I believe that's 9 and 2. So far, almost like the X game method. But this is what we're going to do. We're going to rewrite this expression, but that 11 in the middle is going to split into 9x plus 2x. See, only the 11x changes. So this is starting to be very different from the X game method. So factor by grouping is what this is called from here on out. We have 4 terms. Group the first 2. Group the second 2. Leave the plus in between the 2. Keep it as 2 separate terms, adding in the middle. And we factor those individually. This first group, I can factor out 3x, and I get 3x plus 3. No, 1x plus 3. So plus the other group. And what can we factor out there? We could just do 2. And we got x plus 3 inside. And that's good, because the rule was what's left in the parentheses on both terms must be the same. And if they are, we can combine these two like terms. 3x combines with 2. And the x plus 3, just one of them follows, and it's factored.